seriously. Who called for this? Because it's not funny. Hey everybody. Beautiful freaking day here. It is 18 degrees. It was only supposed to be, I think, 14 today. But, as you can tell, four-wheeler's right there. That's as far as it could go safely without getting stuck. I could turn around right there, but there's no way I'm coming through. This section here is still a foot or two deep, and it's hard packed slush. But I'm back at the ditch area, which is about halfway through our property, and I don't even see any tracks here in the field where I was last year. So she's still deep right here. I bet you everywhere else it's a little bit thinner, but I'm not even going to chance it. But the water is flowing. I'll flip the camera on and I'll show you. There's the water. Now, there's a culvert. It's probably right about at that fence post, and it goes underneath over to here. It's flowing. I don't know if I can zoom in and you can see it. The water is flowing. It's flowing good. But it's melting so fast. Everything. It's never been this high. This is probably about 3. If you go underneath the snow, because this here underneath the snow even dips down a few feet. Because right in here, there's actually a dip that goes down, and you come back up this way, as you can tell the elevation here. So it's probably 4 feet higher than it's ever, or normally is. This is the highest I've ever seen it. But yeah, it's flowing. It's flowing good. This is a pretty good truck. Now here's probably about 2 feet down my foot went. So I don't want to go any further. I'm on stable ground here. I don't want to get soaked. But I wish I could just walk through here. I may try there. I'm not sure. I know there's a lot of stone in here, so maybe I could walk through there and see how deep. Maybe I can walk the edge of the trail and get back to the trail cameras and put some batteries in them, because they've been dead for about 4 months. So, but yeah, it's melting, but I gotta be patient. I just cannot risk getting the four-wheeler stuck way back here. So, but hey, it feels good to get out. So Riker and I came out back, and it's flooding. I've never seen water up into this field before. It's really flooded, and it's just pouring. So we're just gonna continue walking and checking things out. And of course the dogs came with us. My gosh.
I can go on top of this.
You're a lot lighter. And it's still pretty deep right here though. Oh boy, is it ever pouring. I've never ever seen it like this. Whew. Wow. Oh. Look at that, eh, bud?
Wow. What's up there?
I've never seen.
Like on that area, just the flow?
I don't think so. I know that snow there, Riker, is still a couple feet deep. Like I'm actually in water here. There's my tow rope from last year. tied to the tree. Oh boy, is it ever flowing. I keep getting my fingers in the way.
Every step I take, I'm checking out this. So, wow, don't drop the phone.
Yeah. Yeah, see, there's still ice under there.
For like, you'll keep recording for like a quarter of a minute before after
Yeah, like it's flooded all the way up into the wild spot up into there. And that's all uphill. Freaking crazy how much snow. Gotta get these trees off the fence. I'll have to do that soon.